We have storms churning around outside, so Jeremy's inside, joining us from the Severe Weather Center.
Yes, we practice what we preach. We always say when you hear thunder roar, go indoors, and that's exactly what I'm doing here in our studio. You can get struck by lightning even if thunder is heard 10 miles away, so it's always better to play it safe and spend some more time indoors while these storms roll through. These are not the types of storms that we had on Monday, the ones that sat and lingered. These are several waves of storms, and since we had so much rainfall over the past few days, you just need a little bit to cause some flash flooding. That's why a flood watch is still in effect from the National Weather Service. It was extended from 10 p.m. to midnight. You can see it there in effect for Lycoming and Sullivan counties, also for Wyoming and Luzerne County, Lackawanna County, down through central Pennsylvania, even Schuylkill, Carbon, and Monroe County still in this flood watch because we're still seeing rounds and rounds of rainfall. There's the live view from our rooftop camera. Good thing I'm not outside. There were really torrential downpours, lots of lightning and thunder. Our broadcast director tonight, Yolani, she was telling me, hey, look at the rooftop camera. You can see all of the lightning strikes. They were constant. There they are again. Right now, live, happening overhead. So here's the radar picture. We've got really strong storms specifically over Scranton and Wilkes-Barre down through the Poconos too. So let's take a closer look at that cell in Scranton. See that heavy rainfall, that red and orange. That indicates more than an inch per hour. So that's happening along with possibly some small hailstones lofted in this cloud. Very strong storm, not technically severe thresholds, but still can put down enough rainfall to cause some flooding in these urban areas, which it's tracking directly over. Troop, you should be sheltering in place right now. Anywhere to the north of this is going to see it next. So also for the Poconos, this is heading towards Blooming Grove and Lackawaxen. Everybody in Pike County should be indoors over the next hour and a half or so. Up towards Wayne County, all of Wayne County going to see these storms too. Mount Cobb, Honesdale, Pleasant Mount, all going to see it before 11 o'clock. This is moving very quickly, but we're going to see rounds and rounds of this. Look at the bigger picture. We've got several waves, and they still got a lot of moisture and energy out by Pittsburgh. This is going to continue its way towards the north and east and bring us yet another risk for rainfall closer to 4 o'clock or so. I'll show you that in future clouds and radar. So we've got this really vigorous cold front that's going to push on through as we go throughout the overnight tonight, and then we'll tap into some more stable air, which is good. We also got a possible tropical system on the rise. I'll talk about that at the end of the forecast. Temperatures today near 90 for Williamsport and Avoca. So we had a lot of heat, a lot of humidity in place, and that's helping to still fuel these storms late into the evening. So here's future clouds and radar. Those storms that are overhead right now going to continue to persist through northeastern Pennsylvania. Here is that line that's out near Pittsburgh. We'll make it to central PA by 4 a.m. Could still be some downpours, could cause some localized spots of flash flooding even if the flood watch expires past midnight. Then headed towards morning time, some lingering sprinkles out by Pike and Wayne counties, and we clear things out for your Thursday once that cold front runs through. And boy, things stay calm. We deserve this through Friday and much of Saturday as well. As far as rainfall amounts, we're talking about the ballpark of a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch with those storms that are still on the way. Tonight, 71 degrees and mostly cloudy. Those showers and storms still rolling through. Temperatures tomorrow in the 80s and 90s, but feeling with the added humidity like 101 in Stillwater, so be prepared for that. The humidity does go down as we go into the upcoming Friday and into next week too. All right, Scott, here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s, and I did say I was going to talk about it, so I'm going to do it here. As far as that tropical system, it's not going to impact us, but it could bring up to a foot of rain in parts of Louisiana.
My goodness gracious.
Yep.
All right, Jeremy,
Flooding
thank you.
everywhere.
Yeah, that's not what we want to hear. Thanks very much.
Yep.